Hello folks! Great you're watching again and welcome to this English summary. Today we have been working on several projects. To start with, we took the GAS M21 out of the warehouse because we want to start working on that tomorrow. So yeah, that's an interesting thing. Okay, well then, Ron showed up and Ron has been puzzling with the electric drive for the turret and the gunner controller. So he has been puzzling again with it. He had some other ideas. Unfortunately, it didn't go any further. We had omvormer, an inverter. I'm not sure if that's a correct name for it. It's some kind of rotating transformer. It has an electric motor and a generator, and this device is used to control the speed of the turret drive motor. The thing is, you have adjustable resistance. I'm not sure if that's the correct name for it, but you know what I mean. And with this resistor, you can change the That's a difficult story in English. I was thinking, what was the name for this system? I will know. Well, I'll search for it. Okay, I have been googling and I cannot find it. It is a dynamotor or motor generator controller. But anyway, we cannot get working right. So he has been measuring and trying, and that still didn't work. In the meantime, Duco has been working on the battery car. Applied the primer and also made some box for storing some wrenches, a battery charger. And I have been working on the BMP. We wanted to start it with the batteries and compressed air at the same time, but therefore we need to inflate one of the high pressure air bottles, and well, the drive belt of the compressor broke down, so I ordered a new drive belt, but unfortunately it was the wrong size, so I had to order other ones. Well, in order to start BMP, we also can preheat the engine using the boiler heater, which is same thing as the Type 69. It has electric motor which drives a fan and also the water pump and fuel pump. So this fuel is injected through some kind of spray nozzle inside a burning chamber, and there is also a glow plug which ignites the fuel. The fan makes airflow through the burning chamber, and there's also this water pump which circulates the coolant of the vehicle. And the complete burner is situated inside of the oil tank. So by igniting the burner, you can preheat the coolant, but also the engine oil. So you can get the engine on a temperature like 70 degrees Celsius. So that's like starting one engine. So well, that makes it pretty easy to start it, and therefore we want to get this system working. But it does not work. That's a big surprise. Well, if I switch the switch on, well, nothing happens. I've been puzzling with some fuses, but turns out I had the wrong switch for this system. It was another switch. And well, it looks like this switch is spring loaded, so if I press it in the on position, it will go back in off position, and therefore I thought it was another switch next to it. But it turns out this switch has some kind of safety in it, that as soon as it's overloaded it will switch off. Well, and why is it overloaded? That's because the pump was stuck. I disassembled this complete unit, the electric motor with the pump and fan, everything. Took it out to see if I can get it running again. Well, that was about it. I had taken it out, cleaned it, and that's it. So it looks like the electric system works fine. So if we can get this pump running, then we can preheat the engine. And by the time we have finished that, well, we can also install the new drive belt and compressor. So we can start it with the battery and with the air starter, and at the same time preheating the engine, so then it will run, I guess. Or there must be something terrible wrong with this engine, but I don't think so. Well, and that's about it. I would say thank you for watching and see you next time.